their job, when they were first bred, they were used in the army. They pulled these heavy carts that had cannons and very heavy things they pulled. And in Germany, they herded cattle. You know how big a cow is?
Yeah.
They would herd a whole bunch of cows. And then, after the cows were used for meat, they would carry the money in a pouch around their neck. Now, would you try to rob this dog? But this dog, this particular dog, is a very sweet dog. And she loves all you guys, and she loves people. Sometimes I have to really control her because she likes to go barge up to everybody to say hi.
Just like you throws mud.
And she'll be 5 years old.
She'll be 5. So you're going to get a chance to meet and greet Charm.
And Charm likes to kiss, too.
Yeah, so Charm.
And she wants to go say hi to everybody now, but she has to wait.
And you know what? I'm going to